Imagine waking up to the breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea, surrounded by the ethereal beauty of Santorini, all while using your hard-earned Hilton Honors points. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, starting April 2026, this dream becomes a reality as the luxurious Sandblu Santorini joins the LXR Hotels and Resorts portfolio. But here's where it gets even more exciting. This isn't just any hotel, it's the first LXR property in Greece, and it's set to redefine luxury on one of the world's most coveted islands. And this is the part most people miss. With just 66 rooms and suites, many featuring private pools and Grecian-inspired design, it's an intimate escape that promises exclusivity and refinement. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. First, a quick note. The cards we recommend are from partners who compensate us when you're approved through our site, which may influence their placement. While we don't cover every credit card out there, our reviews and opinions are entirely our own. For full transparency, check out our advertising policy, https://thepointsguide.com/advertising-policy, and product review methodology, https://thepointsguide.com/review-methodology. Sandblu Santorini, originally opened in July 2024, is now accepting reservations for stays beginning April 8, 2026. Nestled on the island's eastern shore, the hotel offers stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Each room is a masterpiece of design, blending bright, airy spaces with private terraces that overlook either the hotel's pool or the shimmering sea. For those craving ultimate privacy, 3 villas come complete with full kitchens, spacious sundecks, and private pools. But here's the controversial part. With rates starting at $321 or 95,000 Hilton Honors points per night, is this a steal or a splurge? Let us know what you think in the comments. Faisal Jaffer, Global Head of LXR Hotels and Resorts, describes Sandblu as capturing the ethereal spirit of Santorini in a way that is both understated and deeply refined. The property's stone exteriors, whitewashed walls, and contemporary touches create a timeless, authentic atmosphere. But does it live up to the LXR reputation? Only time will tell, and we can't wait to find out. Beyond the rooms, Sandblu offers something for everyone. Beach lovers can head to the hotel's dedicated shoreline, while wellness enthusiasts can unwind at the Aurora Spa, complete with a sauna, indoor pool, and yoga garden. Foodies, rejoice! From modern Greek cuisine at Nectar to traditional dishes like strapazzata at Plataea, the dining options are as diverse as they are delicious. And don't forget to sip local wines and tapas at Aroma, the hotel's wine bar. Families will appreciate the dedicated kids club, ensuring fun for all ages. But here's a thought-provoking question. With so many luxury hotels in Santorini, what sets Sandblu apart? Is it the LXR branding, the intimate size, or the promise of a truly authentic experience? Share your thoughts below. If you're already planning your stay, rates start at $321 or 95,000 Hilton Honors points per night. And if Santorini isn't enough to tempt you, Hilton's LXR portfolio includes other global gems like the Saks Paris in France and the Sassona Bodrum in Turkey. So, is Sandblu Santorini your next dream destination? Let the debate begin. For more travel inspiration, check out these related reads. Why the Greek island I'd always avoided is now one of my favorites. https://thepointsguide.com/news/Santorini-favorite-Greek-island. 8 reasons my first trip to Greece was better than I expected. https://thepointsguide.com/news/first-trip-to-Greece. The 21 best Hilton hotels in the world. https://thepointsguide.com/hotel/best-Hilton-hotels. Hilton just opened a luxury hotel near the Eiffel Tower, and you can book it from 110,000 points. https://thepointsguy.com/news/Hilton-Saxe-Paris-LXR-hotel. Your complete guide to breakfast benefits at Hilton Honors Hotels. https://thepointsguy.com/loyalty-programs/Hilton-breakfast. Featured image by LXR Hotel and Resorts. Editorial disclaimer. The opinions expressed here are the authors alone, not those of any bank, credit card issuer, airline, or hotel chain, and have not been reviewed, approved, or otherwise endorsed by any of these entities.